In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run efficient meetings in Clickup. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable flow that keeps your conversations focused, captures decisions as they happen, and makes follow-through effortless. Start by creating a single task for the meeting. One meeting, one task. Think of it as the home base for everything related to that session. Give it a clear title with the date, like Team Sync, April 10. Adding the date right in the title makes it easy to find later and helps everyone know exactly which discussion they're looking at. Put the task in the most relevant space or list so it lives alongside the work it affects. Next, add a short agenda directly in the task description. Keep it to 2 or 3 topics, max, updates, problems, and next steps. That simple frame covers what's happening, what's blocking progress, and what to do about it. Under each topic, jot a sentence about the outcome you want. This helps you steer the conversation and time box naturally without turning the meeting into a lecture. Assign the participants to the task so they're looped in before you start. Assign an owner for the meeting to run the flow and add everyone else as assignees or watchers so they get notified. This keeps responsibility visible and prevents side conversations from drifting off platform. During the meeting, take notes directly in the task description or attach a linked doc. Capture only what matters, decisions, key context, and any data points you'll need later. Use quick headings for each agenda topic to keep things scannable. When someone volunteers or is nominated for a follow-up, mention them in a comment so they're instantly notified and there's a record. If a detail is time-sensitive, add a quick timestamp or bold label so it stands out when you review. As decisions emerge, create action tasks on the spot by adding subtasks. Give each one a clear verb-based title, assign an owner, and set a realistic due date. Add a brief acceptance note so the owner knows what done looks like. If a subtask relates to other work, link it so context isn't lost. Confirm due dates in the room to avoid surprises after the call. After the meeting, post a quick recap comment highlighting the decisions made and who owns what. Then monitor progress. If the action items are complete, close the meeting task so your workspace stays clean. If something carries over, keep the task open, update the due dates, and use the same structure next time. Repeat this flow and your meetings will stay short, decisive, and consistently productive.